Understanding, use unsalted butter in recipes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might encounter in various English recipes. Use unsalted butter. Understanding this simple instruction can make a big difference in your cooking and baking. So, let's get started and unfold what this phrase truly means for your culinary adventures. Before we delve into the specifics of unsalted butter, let's talk about butter itself. Butter is a dairy product made from churning cream or milk, separating the solid fats from the liquid, known as buttermilk. It's a staple ingredient in many dishes, adding flavor, richness, and texture. Butters come in two main types, salted and unsalted. The key difference lies in the addition of salt. Salted butter has salt added for flavor and preservation, while unsalted butter does not. When a recipe specifically mentions, use unsalted butter, it's for a few important reasons. 1. Control over salt content. Using unsalted butter allows you to control the amount of salt in your dish. This is crucial in baking, where precision is key. 2. Freshness and flavor. Unsalted butter is often fresher than its salted counterpart, as salt acts as a preservative. This means the flavor can be purer and more pronounced. 3. Flexibility. Whether you're cooking or baking, unsalted butter provides a blank canvas, allowing other ingredients' flavors to shine through without the interference of extra salt. Here are some tips to make the most out of unsalted butter in your recipes. Taste as you go. Since you're in control of the saltiness, taste your dish as you cook or bake and adjust the seasoning as needed. Storage. Unsalted butter has a shorter shelf life due to the lack of salt. Keep it refrigerated and use it within a recommended time frame. Substitutions. If you only have salted butter, you can use it, but remember to adjust any additional salt the recipe calls for accordingly. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, use unsalted butter, and why it's a common instruction in English recipes. Remember, understanding these small details can significantly impact the outcome of your dishes. Happy cooking and baking, everyone! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary tips and English language learning. See you in the next video.